What's going on, you guys? If you're new around here, I'm Tommy and this is my wife Sammy. We just arrived back in Thailand and spent our first day in Chiang Mai getting lost in the rain on a scooter. We visited 2 extraordinary temples.
Wow, my favorite temple that we've been in so far.
A few waterfalls and ate some delicious food. Today we're doing something completely new and it might leave you a little bit hungry. Wow. So grab a snack, sit back and enjoy.
Oh my god, that was my favorite thing ever. Dude.
It's another beautiful day in Chiang Mai, and today we're actually heading to a cooking class.
We heard of Kaidee's cooking class, which I'm super excited about. It's vegan and vegetarian friendly, and we're finally gonna go learn how to make all the dishes that we've been eating over the past few days. I'm very excited about it. And so we're about to call a Grab and head down. I think it's right outside of Old Town, so it's gonna be super fun.
Our Thai cooking class is offered as a half-day program beginning at 9 a.m. Kaidee's cooking school has been around since 1988 and has hosted thousands of students from over 50 different countries. All right, we made it. We arrived right before 9 a.m. and we were greeted by our fantastic teacher, Nim.
Nice to meet you, Nim.
You ready?
Yeah.
Yes? You want to come back school also?
Oh no, no school for me. You didn't want me making a mess of your kitchen. The price of the class was $47 and we created a total of 8 different dishes. We were lucky enough to be the only 2 people who booked it for that morning, so we had our own private cooking class.
It's hard for me to say
Yeah.
We call galango.
Oh.
Galango. You know this?
Ooh.
I think you know this.
I feel like I've had this and it's too hard.
Me too. I tried to eat it.
Yeah.
I'm like, I can't eat it.
But exactly can't eat that, but in the soup just for flavor.
We just learned about all the ingredients we're gonna make for the red curry paste. That's gonna be the base for a few of the dishes that we're making today.
Cumin powder.
Oh, I love
I think you know cumin.
The red ones are spicier.
Yeah. This type of chili we call bird eye chili. Put on the layer and then you roll them. Yeah.
Time to make the paste. You gotta really get aggressive with it.
Arms a little bit.
I know. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Okay.
This is
Really? Wow.
we need the
I should have cut them smaller.
You get tired already?
Kind of. I'm gonna make my paste though. I need to try it. I like it. It's like a good time. You feel like you're like accomplishing something. Wow.
spicy. Is this?
It's so spicy,
I have water.
but it's so good. There's so many flavors in there. Oh my gosh. That chili, that is delicious. Tommy, you have to try that. It's so good. So the next dish that we're making is tom yum soup, and we have carrots, garlic, onion, and dried red chili peppers that we are gonna be chopping up for the tom yum.
I'm gonna show you cut the end out. We're gonna take the seeds out.
Oh, okay. Oh, and then you just cut. I love it when you can use scissors as a utensil. You can smell that pepper. Spicy. Shauko. The brand of coconut milk to buy. I wonder if we could get this at home.
Lime. Yes, to make it sour. No vinegar. We don't use vinegar. We don't use lemon.
Okay.
Spicy chili.
Chili, garlic, and then the cilantro, my 3 favorites.
Okay, to making the paste, first you're gonna put about 7 spoons of oil.
7 spoons of oil. In the kitchen, woo!
Yeah.
And okay, so right now we're making the base for our tom yum soup. We're frying up all of the garlic and onion and carrot, and then I think we're gonna food process it to make the base of the soup. I love tom yum. I'm so excited for this dish, and it smells so good. Haven't cooked in a long time. Wow. The smells in here are so good. I love garlic and onion. She actually said that you can use this base, you can keep it in your fridge and use it as a base for any of the dishes, and you can keep it for up to a month. Everything starts the same and turns out to be a different dish.
And I thought it was really cool that they only use 1 pan for cooking, just the wok. If anything else, every meal's for them.
Is this okay or it's burning?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, the chili smells so good. So you don't want to burn the chili, but you just want to brown it until you get like a strong chili smell. If it gets too cooked, then it'll make your paste very bitter. So don't overcook your chili. We separated the oil and then we added a teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of the soy, 2 limes, and then we mixed it all together. Yum. So everything that we just fried up in the pan, she put through the food processor to make the base. Take the sticky rice. So put like a ball, like this. And then you try it. Oh my god, that was my favorite thing ever. Okay, so we're boiling the water for the tom yum soup, and we have these ingredients here are for flavor and chili, garlic, lemongrass, and then the two that I can't pronounce.
Kaffir lime leaf.
The kaffir lime leaf, and then the other one is the galango. And then these are the ingredients for eating, and we're just chopping them up. Broccoli, cauliflower, corn, tomatoes, oyster mushrooms, onion, carrots, and tofu.
Three but angle. Yeah.
Okay, I like this.
Why did angle?
For pretty.
Yeah, it makes it more visually appealing.
I gotcha.
Two in. Again.
Now you get and then 1 tablespoon mushroom sauce.
Okay, that's too much?
It's good.
It's good.
And sugar a little bit. We don't want too sweet. Right.
Okay.
And time for taste. 1 teaspoon. It's small. You can decide.
We'll go that much.
And also a little bit of oil.
A little bit of the oil.
To make the powder.
She also said in the soups you don't stir it very much. You let it sit. That way the vegetables don't break up. She said you're not making Thai food unless you're coughing. I am. It's like right here. All the chili. It's gonna be too hot. Oh my god. Good. Chili. It is so good. So whenever you try the soup after you've made it, if you want to make it more salty, you add a little bit more soy sauce. And if you want to make it more spicy, you add a little bit more chili paste. But maximum 2 teaspoons of chili paste.
So I vote 1 more.
No, I think it's perfect.
Good.
A little bit more.
Take it and put it in
Oh,
and 1
yes.
piece of lard.
Okay. We added the cilantro for some freshness, and then we added a little bit of coconut milk for creaminess.
That was quick.
It is.
1 bowl or 2 bowls can decide.
It makes it so pretty.
1 more piece of
Oh,
lard.
wow.
Yes. All right. Tom yum soup.
Perfect.
Ready. Time for eat it.
Do you want to eat with us?
Ready.
Oh.
Breakfast with my son.
I'm trying Sammy's tom yum soup. It actually looks delicious. The broth already tasted so good. It tastes perfect. It's exactly like we've been having. Woo, it's so good.
Oh my god. So now we're making a green curry and a yellow curry. So we switched from our red chili paste to green chili paste that we made earlier. Pumpkin, corn, tofu, red onion, cauliflower, carrots, green beans, and believe it or not, this is an eggplant. How cute is that? So baby. So I'm cutting up the kaffir lime leaf, the galango, and the lemongrass. And we're cutting these up small because we're gonna eat these this time.
Great.
I have some water, sorry. I added 1.5 tablespoons of oil, and then we added 1 heaping teaspoon of the paste, and then time to stir it.
After you see small bubble, and then you put all of this stuff.
1 spoon of coconut milk. The trick to making curry is making sure the coconut milk is dry. It makes your curry very fragrant. You can always add more, but if you add more, you just want to add 1 spoon by 1 spoon and wait for it to dry out and make sure all of your paste is getting very fragrant.
After then, you're gonna add all vegetables.
Okay.
Yes.
We're just gonna let those flavors do their thing.
Yeah.
Okay, So we just cut up some basil to put in here, and we cut up some chili and kaffir lime leaves for the toppings.
And add the flavor. Right? Yeah. All right. Okay.
Yes, right?
Yeah.
Adding a little bit of soy sauce, mushroom sauce, sugar, basil, and stir. Wow.
So add a little bit more
A
water.
little bit more saltiness. Very nice.
All right.
This next dish that we're making is the yellow curry. Oil and putting the heat on. Flip and turn. Okay. So if it gets a little too sticky, you can add in a little bit of coconut milk to make, like, keep in the moisture. Love how crispy the veggies. Pre-boil the sweet potato before you add it in.
Okay, and turn the heat back. Okay.
So it depends on which chili paste you're using. Tom yum paste is already pre-cooked. We cooked it earlier, so you add it in after the vegetables. If you're using a paste that you didn't pre-cook, like the green chili paste, you want to add it in before and stir fry it with oil to make it more fragrant. 2 teaspoons of sugar, half soy.
All right.
Okay.
Taste it.
That's so good. It's sweet. Peanut curry. Perfect. So if you want to add less sugar, you can add cinnamon and pineapple instead of the brown sugar, and it'll make it less sweet. We're making pad thai. I'm so excited about learning how to make this one.
I'm excited for you to learn how to do it too.
I
Can't wait
know.
for you to cook it for me back home.
So we have tofu, onions, tomato, carrot, and that's it. We're just chopping those up. You don't boil or cook the rice noodles. You just soak them in water for 5 or 10 minutes before you stir fry them up. And then we're adding in our tofu and our garlic.
Do like an omelet. Okay, no.
Wow. Oh, well, sort of. Okay. This?
Chop the egg.
Half a teaspoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mushroom sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Bean sprouts and green onion, chili flakes, and peanuts. This looks so good. Her style and my style. Use a lime. Peanuts. Don't boil or steam the noodles, and put the egg in after the garlic and the tofu to make it like an omelet so it doesn't get all mushy. Yeah, thank you. We tried all of our dishes that we made. My favorite, I think, the tom yum earlier. I think that's always my tried and true favorite, but the pad thai, so good. And then I really love the red curry. I think everything that we made with the original red, like, tom yum paste is so good. I love it all.
Fresh spring roll. Yeah, I will show you sesame seeds. I put in the middle.
Cashews, your basil.
And then you move back, roll up, roll back, and add the egg.
That's so easy. Well, I think
She
maybe.
makes it look easy.
Yeah, you made it look so easy.
Okay.
Wow.
Listen.
This one. What do you think?
Yeah, it looks good. Take one dip over.
First, prepare papaya.
A lot of work goes into cooking Thai food. With the carrot's easy. So we're making the papaya salad. So we just shredded the young papaya and the carrot, and we're taking the long beans and cutting the long beans for the salad.
And cut like an egg. You can put chili. How much you prefer?
4.
And also.
Yes. That one was like stone.
Red or
Okay.
After then you add tomato. Time to add the flavor.
This is like rubbing your head and patting your belly at the same time. So for our final dish, we're learning how to make mango sticky rice. And I know it's like the thing that everybody eats here, and I've actually never tried it. So I'm really excited to finally have mango sticky rice. Glutinous rice.
Yes.
Teaspoon? Adding the coconut milk. Teaspoon? I thought it was more sugar, a little bit more sugar.
20, 30 seconds, then you flip again.
Okay.
After you flip that out, it's right.
Wow, that was so good. My first time trying mango sticky rice. We just learned how to make it. So excited about this. Oh my gosh.
It's not too sweet for you?
No. And that mango, the freshness of the mango with the sticky rice is like the perfect combination. I love this. Thank you so much.
Thank
We'll see
you.
at the festival.
Yeah, we'll stop by again. Thank you for everything. I very much appreciate it. Bye-bye.
Bye. Okay, so the cooking class was so good. Our instructor was so patient with us, and she walked me through everything, even though I'm definitely a beginner cook. We also got these little cookbooks. Everything was vegan and vegetarian. The pad thai had egg in it, but you can also add meat to any of the dishes, which she was happy to explain to us for that. It was such a good class. We really loved it. And she was just so accommodating and so friendly, and the instructor definitely made the class. And it was private because it was just the two of us. And these are all of our leftovers. So we don't need to buy food for the next 2 days. Definitely 10 out of 10. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video of our class. If you come to Chiang Mai, I definitely recommend this one, even if you're not vegan or vegetarian. It was overall such a great course. Loved it.